investing in education and giving back. Their hurricane relief drive led to today's pallet party. The students loaded water and diapers and other supplies onto pallets and into a semi-trailer. The supplies will be distributed to those impacted by Hurricanes Harvey and Irma.
Our students are here between classes to pack up the loose items and to ensure that all the items get on the truck, and so appreciative of their time.
Hollander Moving and Storage donated trucking services, and the United Way will distribute the items to people in need. Good job.
A lot of people.